We are unboxing mangalamjobs.com today. It's a website which is dedicated to legal, company secretary, and finance professionals. They have jobs divided into four segments: finance, legal, company secretary, and secondment. In finance, they have jobs with for BCom, MCom, CA, CMA, qualified, semi qualified professional. Similarly, in legal, company secretary section, they have secondment job section which has part time assignments for the professionals in the same field. They have a facility of searching jobs with the help of Google location, where you can search the job, give the location, and find which all jobs which are matching to your role. This is how their jobs looks like. They give details of the employer along with their coordinates to the registered member, which helps candidate to know about the company before they apply. This is how candidate profiles look like. They have play quiz, profile, search job, and ask an expert features to candidate profile. One very good thing in this website is they don't share candidate CV to any employers until unless candidate has applied to a certain job. So if you are having 10 matching jobs and you apply to only two, the employers or the recruiters of those two companies would be able to see your CV and remaining 8 will not. This is how your profile looks like. When you fill in the tabs with the help of your CTC, experience, location, key skill area, automatically the matching jobs will appear and you can select and then apply on the jobs. They also have a feature of creating your video CV and apply via video CV to the jobs. This is how your application summary looks like. So whatever jobs you have applied on, you can see what is the status of your application, whether it is been opened by the recruiter, they have seen it, rejected, selected, or interview is being scheduled. This is how your MCQ segment look like. They have more than 100 topics in the field of legal, finance, company secretary, and more than 10,000 questions. So you can choose any topic, play quiz, challenge your peers, play on the scores. This is how their course section look like. They have online e-learning courses associated with them. You can just put the name of the course in search section, find out the price, the content, the duration, and other things. This is how post your job segment look like. Any candidate who is registered and willing to hire a team, they can post their job here, where they can fill in the detail of their company and the requirement they have, and then hire people from the portal itself. This is how the study notes section looks like. They have a lot of study notes given where there are checklists, there are a lot of updates coming in, there are a lot of uh, calendar schedules, compliance schedules, details, anything to read in for legal, compliance, and finance professionals. This is how Mangalam Jobs last 3 month performance is. They have placed more than 100 candidates in last 3 months, and they have more than 500 jobs. If you go on job section and just click on browse job, you'll see what all open positions are there, which are more than 500 right now with them. So how Mangalam Jobs is supporting this we can know by just a gist of the complete set is they have specific jobs which are very focused to legal, finance, company secretary. It's an only platform which bring candidate and companies together, direct connection to the employers, one-to-one counseling under ask your expert. You can search job with the help of Google location, resume builder services. There is lot of articles which you can post under study notes section and reach out to all the members, skilling yourself with the help of MCQs, and also post your own requirements. So these are the features which Mangalam Jobs is providing in a nutshell. So why wait? Please go and register on Mangalam Jobs. Very good, efficient, and focused website ever for legal and finance and company secretary professionals.